Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So the recipe I'm gonna share with you guys today is the potato sticks, or you can call it potato fries. So this recipe is gonna take you a little bit of effort, but trust me, this is gonna be the best fries recipe you're ever gonna have. These fries are just gonna melt in your mouth. So for this, we're gonna take 4 potatoes, and obviously we're gonna peel them and we're gonna cut them into cubes. The shape of the cubes or the size doesn't really matter because we're gonna be boiling them. So here I'm just cutting them into simple cubes. Now you're gonna take water in a pan. The water should be enough so that you can boil the potatoes. So I boiled the water first so it wouldn't take long for the potatoes to get boiled. Now we add the potatoes into the water and we're just gonna let it boil until it's entirely cooked or entirely boiled. When the potatoes are boiled, you're gonna drain the water. Make sure all the water is drained and the potatoes are dry, and then you're gonna pour them into a bowl and you're gonna mash them really well. We wouldn't want any bigger chunks. After you have mashed the potatoes really well, you can even mash them with the help of a fork. You're gonna add 4 to 5 tablespoons of cornstarch or corn flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of crushed chili, and then you're gonna add some aromatic herbs aroma in the fries. It's really gonna enhance the taste as well. So you're gonna mix it all together to give it's gonna look like kind of a dough. Now you're gonna dust the surface where you're gonna work, and then you're just gonna pour some of the mixture or the dough on top of the floor. This is gonna be really soft, and now we're gonna just roll it or spread it, and then we're gonna neatly cut it. I'm just gonna cut the sides to get a neat shape so I can cut the fries. So I'm just here cutting the sides to make it look neat. Now I'm gonna cut it into the shape of the fries. So even while here cutting, even if you feel like it's breaking, which might happen because it's really soft, but if you have dusted the surface really well with the flour, it wouldn't really happen. But in case it happens, you can definitely just like press it a little and you can give it the shape because it's really soft. Then you're gonna heat the oil in a pan and you're gonna fry them until they're golden. You can choose to give them a darker color or the lighter as you like. You're just gonna flip them over. Just don't overcook them, like don't make them darker. And then you're just gonna take them off on the tissue paper to dry the excess oil, and the crispy french fries or the fries, or you can call them potato sticks, whatever you want, are ready. You can enjoy it with cheese sauce or ketchup or any kind of sauce you like. So I hope you guys like the recipe. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.